Gary, welcome to my channel. Today I want to tell you about my latest raffle. It's for the awesome Supermarine Spitfire Mk.VIII kit in 1/24 scale from Airfix. Released in 2024 and made right here in the UK, this superb kit features 452 parts and comes supplied with decals for 3 versions. An aircraft flown by Squadron Leader Bruce Watson of 457 Squadron, Royal Australian Air Force in 1945. An aircraft of 152 Hyderabad Squadron, Royal Air Force in Burma in 1945. Or an aircraft of the 307th Fighter Squadron, 31st Fighter Group of the US Army Air Force in Sicily in 1944. I've made the sister kit to this, as I mentioned, the Mk.IX Spitfire, and it was an absolute delight to build. This kit has a suggested retail of a penny short of £100 in the UK, but it could be yours for as little as £1 because that's what each ticket to this raffle costs. What you need to do is go to the address here on the screen. It's repeated in the information box below. Register there and answer a simple question using your skill and judgment. Get it right and you're able to purchase raffle tickets. Each ticket is £1, but there are some multi-buy options which are even better value. The raffle runs until midnight UK time at the end of 31st of March 2025. After that time, an automated system at Raffle, my online host, will independently and at random pick the winning ticket. If it is yours, I'll email you with the good news, so make absolutely sure the email address you use when you register is correct. I will send the prize to the winner no matter where they are at my own expense, and the best of all, 10% of the revenue generated will be sent to Models for Heroes. A link to that excellent charity is in the information box below. There it is then. I wish you the very best of luck if you enter, and maybe I'll be congratulating you very soon. Thanks for watching and goodbye.